How to make Snapchat public profile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the top left corner of the screen, and when you tap on your profile icon, you can see we have two options: my account and public profile. So in nowadays what happens is a public profile is already given to you by Snapchat directly when you are starting or when you have just signed up for Snapchat. So let's tap on OK. And now what you can simply do is you can add snaps over here directly, or you can simply select from any of the camera roll and so on. So let's tap on the options over here, then tap on next, and now tap on next again, tap on done, and let's just scroll down. Now tap on the gear icon at the top right corner and tap on preview your profile. And there you go. This is how your public profile would look like. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.